afternoon. What's your name? Where are you from?
Sam, I'm from here.
Welcome to Skydive DeLand. We're about to go jump out of a plane. Is this your first time?
Yes.
Any special occasion?
My birthday, turned 29.
Happy birthday. Put it up. Before we get out of here, anything you want to say to your friends and family at home?
I love you all. And I'm so ready for this.
We'll see you in the sky. Have fun. Yeah. Welcome to the sky.
Oh, it was so great.
Yeah, it was. What was your favorite part?
Falling out of an airplane.
Okay, okay.
It was amazing just being in the sky. I'm a bird.
Yeah, you are. Flap those wings.
It was wonderful.
Well, do you think you'll jump again?
Hell yeah. I'll be back.
Well,
Thank
happy
you.
birthday. Thank you for choosing Skydive DeLand. Thank you, Lucas, for saving her life.
you.
I'll see you next time.
Oh.